Hi everyone, just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use NotebookLM. So if you're looking for it, you're just looking for, type it in, NotebookLM. Just go in here. I found it really, really helpful the last while, and I'm using it extensively. So you come in here to NotebookLM, and you can see welcome to NotebookLM. On yours, it'll probably show very little. I've used it quite a bit, so it shows a couple of items or topics that I've searched for. So I'm just going to hit on the left-hand side, create new, hit the plus sign, and here it will bring me into a part of NotebookLM that will allow me to upload multiple sources. Different areas or different things you can do with NotebookLM are, if you're looking at a video, for example, you can get it to do a summary of the video or to get, a briefing document of the video. So for example, I am just going to show a video that I've done. Go to YouTube, go to my channel. Just bear with me. Channel and videos. And I'll just go most popular. And I'll just put in a short one there, how to copy and paste. It's just one that's done quite well. I've done longer ones, Diary of a CEO, different ones which are quite long, where I don't necessarily have the time to actually go and watch them, but I really would like to get the highlight reel of what they do. So I've just gone in to, just go back there. So add a source, and I want to upload a source, and I have options here that include, I can go to my Google Drive Docs, I can go to my Google Drive Slides, I can go to a website, I can go to YouTube, I can upload a file, I can copy a text. So just here, I'm going to YouTube, I'm just going to copy and paste. I can insert. And then you can see over on the right-hand side, you can see where I can look for a study guide. I can look for a briefing document, which is a summary of what the video is about. I can look for FAQs, or for example, if I was doing a timeline on a project, for example, I could ask for that as well. You can also get an audio version of your video as well if you wanted as well. And you just hit generate up where the blue tab is there, and that will do that for you. So for this particular video, I'll just click on briefing document. It only takes a couple of seconds. And again, I've done this for videos that are 30 minutes long, an hour long, a variety of different videos where I don't necessarily have the time to go and look at them and watch them, but it's great if I can just get the highlight reel or the summary of what they've done. So I can click here on the right-hand side, and it's given me a basis of who this person was that is in the video, the purpose, and so on and so forth, and the main themes of what's actually in the video. So I can copy and paste that. For some elements of projects that I'm working on, for example, I might copy and paste that particular information. I might go into Claude, for example. I'm using Claude quite a lot now, as in addition to ChatGPT, and I'm trying to figure out, which ones are the best to use for different projects. And so I might put all of this in here, and I might ask, can you give me a further summary of this text and write a list of the most important elements? And just because, depending on what you're looking for, you may not be able to find all of the information in one particular AI product. Therefore, you may need to use multiple products that will help you to do your work, structure your work. And I have been using NotebookLM in conjunction with a variety of other products, such as ChatGPT and Claude. So if I go back into NotebookLM, as I said, there's a number of ways you can use this. So if I go back, I can add in a source, for example. Again, I can upload documents. You can add multiple sources. So you can put up multiple videos, multiple documents, and you can ask it to do a summary from a website and so on and so forth. And you can ask for a summary based on numerous sources that you're using. So really, really helpful, particularly for people that are crunched for time and you're wanting to get a summary on a document, a website, YouTube clip, particular PDF file, so on and so forth. So it's really, really helpful in terms of extracting information and helping you to understand the summary, or creating, for example, If you had a PDF file, you could, create an audio for that and so on and so forth. And that might help you, for example, if you're going on a drive, you might want to get a summary of something. You mightn't be able to actually read it, but you might be able to hear it. And you're in a hurry and so on and so forth, and that might be helpful to you. So I hope this helps. I have been using NotebookLM more and more every week, and let me know what you think. Thank you.